Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This week we will be going over how to handle documents with sensitive data. Let's say we have a contract here and our customer has extremely high data privacy constraints. Is there a way to use Nordoon platform to get this data processed? Yes, there is. We can set up the workflow for sensitive data to be processed securely and sent to your email without getting stored in the cloud. Let me show you how. First, you can choose the pre-built template for contracts. You can customize it by changing, adding, or removing fields related to the information that matters to you, then save it. Now let's create a new email connector. First, let's select the template we just created. Then go under Details and uncheck Store Results. This means none of the incoming items and data will be stored in the database. Instead, they will be sent directly to your email or SharePoint. After we have our connector set, all that is left to do is to forward our email with the attached document to this unique email address. Here is our processed data. We got 3 attachments: the original email, the document, and the Excel with the processed data for the contract. As we can see, nothing was stored in the app or the cloud. Thank you for watching. Click the link in the bio to start your free trial. And don't forget to check out our other videos on how to automate your workflow. See you next week.